Hello students, we were discussing about periodic table as you all know, and we were discussing about the elements of groups. You know very well there are 4 blocks in periodic table: S block, P block, D block as well as F block. And last time we had discussed about the elements of S block: alkali metals as well as alkaline earth metals. And from last lecture onwards we were discussing about the elements of P block. And you know that the P block contains 6 groups, group number 13 to group number 18. In last topic we had discussed about the elements of group number 13, which is also known as boron family, as well as group number 14, and they are known as carbon family. Now we are shifting towards the group number 15. So group number 15, it is also known as nitrogen family. Group number 15 is known as nitrogen family. They are also known as nicogens. Why they are known as nicogens? So nicogen word is derived from German word nicosis. And what does it mean? Nicosis means suffocation. So if we inhale the first element of group number 15, and which one is first element? Nitrogen. So by mistake if we inhale nitrogen, we will suffer from suffocation. And the property or the suffocating property of nitrogen is known as nicosis in German language. So from nicosis the word nicogens are derived. And the members of group number 15 nitrogen family: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. They are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony as well as bismuth. Another one is there, livermonium. But we don't require livermonium right now. We are discussing 12th class. So it is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Let us write back. This one. It is nitrogen, phosphorus. This one is arsenic. This is antimony. And the last one is bismuth. So the members are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Atomic number as usual. For nitrogen it is 7. Now we will gradually add magic number. Gradually we will add magic number. 7 plus 8, 15. 18. 33. Again 18. It will be, I think so, 51. And lastly 32. It is 83. So 7, 15, 33, 51 and 83. These are the atomic numbers of nitrogen family. Now when we shift towards the electronic configuration, it will be NH2 and P3. Will be NH2 and P3. It means it contains 5 electrons in outermost shell. It contains 5 electrons in outermost shell. So the common oxidation state, either they can lose 5 electrons, so plus 5, 2 minus 3. Either they can lose 5 electrons or they can gain 3 electrons. So plus 5 to minus 3. But by moving down the group, inert pair effect. We know the topic is remaining inert pair effect, but we will discuss. So due to inert pair effect, oxidation state reduces by 2 units. So it will be plus 2 only. Sorry, my mistake. It will be plus 3 only. So by moving down the group, due to inert pair effect, the oxidation state reduces by 2 units, and antimony and bismuth are tend to show plus 3 oxidation state instead of plus 5. So these are the members of 15, group number 15, nitrogen family. Remember that, student. The electronic configuration is NH2NP3. It means these nitrogen family members have 3 electrons in outermost orbital, which is p. It means they have 3 electrons in p orbital. Now as you all know, p orbital has capacity to accommodate 6 electrons. P orbital has capacity to accommodate 6 electrons. But over here number of electrons are 3. What does it mean? It means that the p orbital is half filled. And half filled orbital is very stable. So this element shows maximum exception. Let me correct myself. These all elements will show maximum exceptions. And the reason behind that exception is half-filled p orbitals. Okay. How to remember this? We write by this way: Nepal, Pakistan, Australia. सब भिखारी. नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, सब भिखारी. So this is what we can say group number 15 elements. Okay. And what was my mistake, that the last element is not livermorium, it is moscovium. Sorry. So last element of this group is moscovium, but we will discuss in 12th. Now we are shifting towards group number 16. Group number 16 is known as oxygen family. Group number 16 is known as oxygen family. And they are also known as chalcogens. Student, what is the meaning of chalcogens? Chalcogen means they are rust forming substance. They are forming rust. Take any example of rust. Rust of iron, rust of copper, rust of silver. Any rust is a product of oxygen. So rust is formed by oxygen. And the group number 16 has first element oxygen. So due to this property of oxygen, all these elements are known as chalcogens, the rust forming substance. And the members are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and the polonium. And last one is livermorium. Livermorium I have told, but it was moscovium. This is livermorium. So the members are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Members are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Now we are shifting towards the atomic number. Oxygen 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 18 34, plus 18 52, and lastly 32. It means 84. These are the atomic numbers. Atomic numbers of group number 16. Okay. What should be the common oxidation state? So the common oxidation state is based on electronic configuration, and the electronic configuration of these elements is NH2NP4. How much electron they contain in outermost shell? 2 plus 4, 6. So they have two possibilities: either they lose 6 electrons or they gain 2 electrons. But the maximum possible way is to gain electrons. So the oxidation state is from -2 to +6. They can exhibit +6, like SF6, sulfur hexafluoride, in which sulfur is +6. So NH2NP4, this is common electronic configuration, and the common oxidation state shows -2 to +6. But by moving down the group, you know that due to inert pair effect, oxidation state reduces by 2 units, and it reduces by 2 units, so it will be +4 instead of +6. And the tellurium and polonium are very well explained or indicates +4 oxidation state. So group number 15, group number 16, nitrogen family as well as oxygen family. Nitrogen family had most of exceptions, and the reason behind that is half-filled p orbital. And group number 16 are known as chalcogen. Student, please note down that. Note it down. Okay. Now let us shift towards group number 18. So group number 18 is also known as zero group. Some are using zeroth group, one is the same. You can write zero group or zeroth group. Why it is zero group? So zero group name was given by Indian scientist Ramsay. According to him, all these gases, group number 18, are the group of inert gases. All these gases has zero oxidation state, and that's why it is known as group number 0. But this is not actually correct. Some are exceptions that we will discuss later on. So group number 18, or it is known as zero group, they are also known as inert gases. Inert gases, what does it mean? They are non-reactive gases. They are non-reactive gases. They are not reacting with anyone. But that is our assumption. They are reacting. So inert gases, and the members are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Say our mistake. We forgot it, group number 17. So first we will discuss group number 17. And group number 17 are also known as halogen. Group number 17 are known as halogens. Why halogen? Because they have tendency to form salt. So salt forming substances are known as halogens. And the members are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. The members are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So this is fluorine, this is chlorine, this is bromine, This one is iodine, and this one is astatine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. In which fluorine is of yellow color, chlorine greenish yellow color, bromine red color, iodine violet color. This is radioactive. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Okay. Atomic number, we know the atomic number of fluorine, that is 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 18, it is 35. 35 plus 18, and it is 53. And lastly, it will be 85 by adding 32. And the last member is tennessine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, and tennessine. But we will not discuss tennessine in 11. We will discuss it in 12. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. And the electronic configuration is NS2, NP5. 2 plus 5, 7. Group number 17. They contain 7 electron in outermost shell. They contain 7 electron in outermost shell. So they have only one tendency. Since they have 7 electrons, they can easily gain 1 electron. So the common oxidation state is -1. But as I told you earlier, chemistry is a mystery. This element, since they have 7 electrons, they also can lose all their 7 electrons. So the oxidation state is -1 to +7. And we cannot observe inert pair effect. Inert pair effect can be observed in group number 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, how to remember this element? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Fir, kal, bar, I, anti. Fir, kal, bar, I, anti. Actually, I forgot to give you a trick of oxygen family: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. And last one is livermorium. We will remember by this way: O, Sasi. O, Sasi. Oxygen, O, sulfur, Sa, selenium, C. O, Sasi. Te polo khadi. Will remember by this way: O, Sasi, te polo khadi. So this is group number 17 elements. Now when we shift towards group number 18, the members are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Amongst them, helium. Actually, students, helium is a member of S block, group number 2. But the chemical and physical property of helium is resembled to inert gases, and that's why it is put in group number 18, inert gases. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, as well as radon. Okay, now the members are 6, 2, 2, 2. It means 6. Earlier the members was 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So magic number we were using 8, 18, 18, 32. But these are similar to S block. So again we will write 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. So what should be the atomic number of helium? It is 2. Again 8, 10, 8, 18, 18, 2, 10, 18, 8, 8, now 18. 18 2s are 36. Again 18, 54, and lastly 32. It will be 86. And they have electronic configuration NH2 for helium, and for rest of the member NH2 NP6. They have completed their octet. When we total these 2 electrons, it will be 2 plus 6, 8. They have completed their octet. Okay. So note down this. Okay. Sorry. What should be the trick to remember this? So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. हिना, हिना, मीना और करीना, हिना, मीना और करीना जेरोक्स करते रहना, हिना, नीना और करीना जेरोक्स करते रहना।